Good afternoon to you. Staying cold out there for the time being. Frost and ice reforming through this evening and first half of the night before it turns blustery and wet from the west. And warnings remain in place for icy, slippy surfaces in the most prone locations. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Clear and crisp, brilliant blue skies. If bitterly cold, for some of us barely above freezing as the afternoon wears on. After that frosty, icy start. Temperatures not much above 2 or 3 degrees in towns and cities, lower in the countryside, particularly where we've got misty low cloud and fog lingering. And further west, a different theme. Temperatures start to recover very slowly with brisk winds and outbreaks of rain moving through Northern Ireland, Wales and the West Country after dark. Ahead of this, cold and clear as temperatures fall, frosty and icy to start the night before those temperatures start to recover. And then the rain makes some headway from west to east, turning wintry across higher ground of Scotland with some sleet and snow here. Elsewhere, some hill fog and misty low cloud. And tomorrow morning, a very different start for many. A very good evening to you. For some of us, a cold start to the night with frost and ice reforming before it turns blustery and wet from the west as the night wears on. We've got warnings in place for icy, slippy surfaces in some locations. It's parts of Scotland and eastern England most prone to the early frost and ice as temperatures fall. And then a different end to the night as thickening cloud rolls in, misty low cloud and hill fog giving poor visibility, and rain working its way from west to east. A wintry mix of sleet and snow across higher ground of Scotland to start the new day. And for many of us, disappointing dull and damp from the word go. Grey and grotty with the misty low cloud and hill fog giving poor visibility. And that rain really peps up through the afternoon, pouring for several hours, thoroughly disappointing with blustery winds to accompany that rainfall, only slowly clearing up through parts of Northern Ireland later. And temperatures tend to recover across the south and the west, otherwise quite a chilly theme, particularly with the blustery wet conditions, but nowhere near as cold as it has been.